Hi guys. So here's the deal. I have spent, 4 weeks now trying really hard to get through the videos of the dragonfly and the bee. And to be honest with you, I'm completely uninspired to do it. I tried hard, I got through half, and it felt like torture to me. And I can't paint like that. And it's not, as artists, that's not what we do. And so finally, after a pep talk with Stacia today and just talking about really what I should be doing today, I've decided I'm just going to paint something, and I will talk through it and we'll just go for it and see what happens, because honestly, I don't want to give you guys anything that's uninspired, and I don't think you want anything that's uninspired. My talking through the last video was boring. I mean, all of it was boring because I just wasn't into it. So here's what we have. I have a canvas. This one was built for me because I have somebody custom build them for me, but you can get them. This one has 2-inch sides and a birch top to it, but you can get any panel like we did in the first lesson from Hobby Lobby or anywhere. It has a layer of gesso on it. And that's about it. So I have my paints here on my palette. I probably can't name them all. I have a cadmium red, a cadmium orange, alizarin crimson, dioxazine purple, cobalt blue, titanium white, teal, cerulean, and a green and another darker blue. And I think I have cadmium yellow light and cadmium yellow deep. And I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna find a picture on Pinterest of a field of flowers, and then I'm just gonna talk you through my process, because basically that's what I usually do. And so I would rather do that than to give you something, like I said, that's boring and uninspired. Okay, so I'm going to get started with some teal and titanium white. And I did stick my brush in the water. And I'm going in kind of an Xing motion. As I go to the bottom of the painting, I'm gonna add more and more white. So just now I added a little bit of the alizarin crimson just to give it some purples in there. So like I said, I'm going to keep adding white to my brush, which already has teal in it.
You know I love you, I'm just working on myself. It's not as easy when you don't have somebody else to keep the monkeys off your back. You know I love you, but you just can't fix my life. Hey, everyone has got some sort of vice, it's just that this one's got me. And I don't know if you've ever tried it. All I can say is it's one way to live. Don't think I don't see that I'm dying. It's just that I can't quit. You know I love you, but you think we're all the same. And let's be honest, you don't even know my name or the pain that I've seen. And I don't know if you've ever tried it. All I can say is it's one way to live. Don't think I don't see that I'm dying. It's just that I can't quit. Don't think I haven't tried. There's just this hole inside that always it always wants more.